Today we're going to teach you guys how to install these recovery points into your GX460.
We start this install by removing the wheel, giving us more room to work. Next, lubricate the bolt to help prevent rust. Screw in the first bolt. Don't forget the washer and lock washer. Using the bolt, test its fitment to find out if drilling is required. If required, we will drill the hole wider using a step bit, big enough to fit the second bolt. To prevent future rust, we paint the hole we made wider. Remember to let the paint dry. Next, we need to align the recovery point and tighten the first bolt just enough to hold it into place. Here comes the most challenging part of the installation: fishing the provided nut. Once you finally catch it, tighten the bolts just enough so that they're snug.
So now that you have your driver's side recovery point installed, you gotta do the same thing for the passenger side. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.